Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
First, confirm compatibility and physical connections for your SSD and iPhone. You need a USB-C SSD formatted as XFAT, apps, or FAT32 for iPhone to read and write files. Some SSDs require extra power when connected to the iPhone. Use a powered USB hub or an SSD with a built-in battery to avoid power issues. The iPhone 15 Pro supports high-speed transfer up to 5 Gbps with compatible drives and cables. Start by connecting the SSD directly with a USB-C to USB-C cable about 1 meter long for a stable connection. If the drive does not appear, connect through a powered USB hub to supply additional current. Unlock your iPhone and open the Files app to view connected SSD folders and supported media files. Browse to select photos, videos, or documents and tap and hold a file. Then choose Copy or Move to transfer it to iPhone storage. Before heavy use, format the SSD as XFAT to handle files larger than 4 GB and ensure cross-platform compatibility. For Mac OS-specific workflows, apps works but may limit Windows compatibility. Choose according to your needs. Always safely eject the SSD inside the Files app by tapping the eject icon before unplugging the cable to prevent data corruption. For video editing and photo offloads, pick a 1 TB or 2 TB SSD with sustained write speeds above 200 MB per second for smooth performance.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.